YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great instructional video for you. Today we're replacing the tempered glass screen protector on the Samsung Tab S3. As you might or might not know, I am a real-world private pilot, and I use this for my GPS and stuff. Actually, it's called an electronic flight bag. And that's why I bought this Samsung Tab S3. But you can see that if you go at the right angle here, I don't know if you can see this, but it got cracked right here. And that is in the old glass protector. So it's not on the actual screen, it's just on the protector. In fact, you can kind of see it right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this. I'm going to show you how to take it off and put one on, because it can be a little weird when you're thinking about doing this. So here we go. This is not easy, because if I were to lift up where it broke down here, it hit the ground basically and cracked the glass, the screen protector. So if I removed it here, it would just splinter into little pieces, which you can get it off that way. Notice I'm using a screwdriver. It's not padded or anything, so you still have to be very careful on the screen below. What we're going to do is we're going to grab a corner here. I'm going to stick the screwdriver right underneath it. Just get underneath it. See how I lifted that and kind of peels off the glass a little bit? That's what we want. Can be very tricky. And there you go. I have a corner up by sticking the screwdriver underneath. Now we're going to pry this off. Really careful like. You see that's taking the rest of the glass with it, even though it's broke right here. I'm going to be very, very careful. I'm going to try to keep it so I can get this big part of the glass underneath. And it doesn't take much force now. I'm just running that screwdriver underneath, making sure that it doesn't stick back to the original glass. Little pressure as we get it off. Slower is better. And there you go. This was the original screen protector that came with it, and I just had to get underneath it. So it served its purpose, but tempered glass for me is the way to go. Next step would be to take one of these alcohol prep pads and you clean the screen. We'll just give her a nice wipe down the alcohol pad. The next step after that, they give you a microfiber cloth, 2 of them, so you're just gonna use one, and you're gonna dry up all the leftover rubbing alcohol. Just get it off the screen, and that should remove all fingerprints and stuff like that off the screen. We use the dust over, and just out of an abundance of caution, I'm gonna use it all over the screen to get any dust off that might be on there, because you never know. Next step is probably the most crucial. They're gonna have a side that has an adhesive on it. If you notice, it has a little sticker right there. There you go. That's the adhesive side, so it's actually pointing towards me right now. I'm gonna peel it off, and then I'm gonna put it right over where we want it. I'm gonna push down in the center, and then we're gonna try fanning out any bubbles that get underneath the glass. Okay, here comes the hard part. Gotta position this right where you want it, touching only the sides. Push right the center, have it all stick. Take your microfiber pad and start buffing out all of the air bubbles that you can. Working center to edge here. And some bubbles can take about 24 to 48 hours to get out of there permanently. So if you miss one, just keep working at it, and it will eventually go away. You can also take a credit card and just kind of swipe them out to the side. And I know this is a hassle, but after this, you shouldn't have any problems with this staying on your tablet. And this is the hardest part, if you ask me. Just lining it up and getting it on there. So that looks pretty good on the tablet. Again, 24 to 48 hours for maximum. Hey, this is what it's going to look like. And that's how you replace a tempered glass screen protector on a tablet or a smartphone. It's been 24 hours, and you can see that there's no bubbles on this, and that's because we basically really got it out there and let it set. So it shows you that within 24 hours you should see it totally without any bubbles and anything. So if this video helped you and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.